channel. I hope you all are doing great. So title से तो आपको पता लग ही गया होगा that what is this video all about. So today I am going to share a concealer hack with you guys which I have been following since last week only. So I personally like my concealer to be as neutral as my base, and if you want your concealer to stay for a very long time, please keep watching. So I have tied my hair at the back and I am going to prep my face with the serum. You can use whatever serum you have. Now the next step what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my foundation. You can use whatever foundation you have. Now I'm applying my foundation and I'm not applying it under my eyes. I'm leaving that area. If you hear any sound at the background, please bear with me. So my foundation is done and now I'm gonna apply my concealer. You can use whatever concealer you have, and I am just applying my concealer under my eyes. And now the main part comes. So now what you need to do is you need to set your under eyes with your favorite setting powder. Just take it on the brush, and with the setting spray you need to apply it on the brush. Keep it on a distance and spray it once and twice, and that's it. And now just press it under your eyes. And the same thing you need to do on your other eye. Now what I like to do is I do this procedure twice, and I'm again applying some concealer, some setting spray, and dabbing it under my eyes. And that's it. So that is it for today, guys. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think about it, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like this hack, and I will see you in my next video. Till the time, bye.